Hello everyone, good day to all of you. Welcome back again to my channel. And for today's video, we will be discussing the module 3 of Purposive Communication. So before we get started, I'd like to introduce myself. Again, this is your instructor, Galaya Rama, and let us start then with the video. So for today, we have module 3 and it's about communication for academic purposes. So we have here the 3 objectives. So at the end of this lesson, you are expected to differentiate research-based argumentative essay from the explanation essay and blog, then exhibit appreciation and understanding of the benefits in doing research, and demonstrate the ability to transfer research into sound arguments. So let us proceed then to the first activity. So on the first one, we have the activity room. So you are going to not answer, but you're going to gather information to any of the following topics. So you can only choose one. Do not choose 2. Do not choose 3. Just one topic. So you could either choose number 1, which is the new normal in Philippine education. So you could research this on the internet or on Facebook or on the news, TV, as long as the source is reliable. And for number 2, you're going to research about the implementation of lockdown due to COVID-19. So you could either, research about the current city you live in and the current, situation that you are in now. So as long as the source is reliable. And third, we have the surging numbers of infected Filipinos and its causes. So as we know, just like in Diga City, the number of cases here has been rising up really quickly. So yeah, you could also use that as well. And again, you're just going to choose one topic. Next, we have here the analysis. So for number 1, we have how essential is critical thinking and communication skills in academic research. So you may either research about, the answer to this question and add on your own opinion. So you can do that as well. Or you could also look at the abstraction down below on this lesson. So you could do that too. And for number 2, what tools are needed in writing an academic paper effectively? So again, you may research or you may also use, the abstraction down below. And third, we have discuss at least 3 barriers in writing an academic paper effectively. You can research or use the abstraction right here. So as for the abstraction class, you're not going to answer this. So the abstraction is for reading purposes, so you're just going to read it. So we have here, it talks about the academic paper and also the research paper, the discourses and its types, the writing process, and this one is technical error, so we don't include that one. So let us proceed then to the next activity, which is the abstraction. Pardon, it's application, not abstraction. But before we proceed to the application, we have here some series of questions. For a moment, you can find it here. We have the questions that will help you generate ideas. So in this case, class, perhaps some of you might get confused in this part. So you're not going to answer these questions, but there's sort of like guide questions that would help you like make or yeah, make your own ideas or something, so you can use that. Anyways, let us proceed then to the application down below. So for a moment, we have here the application. So the instruction is you're going to write an academic paper related to the current situation of a country using appropriate tone, style, conventions, and reference styles. You may select one from the suggested topics given below or think of your own topic. So as I have previously requested you that you're going to gather information about 3 topics. So again, you're going to choose one. So in this case, you're not really going to make or create an academic paper, but you are going to write an essay. So you're just going to choose again one topic. So it may be the new normal in Philippine education, or the implementation of lockdown due to COVID-19, or the surging numbers of infected Filipinos and its causes. So as for the essay class, I don't really want those, really long essays. So perhaps like 1 or 2 paragraphs is enough for me. But if it's 1 paragraph only, then I think it's much better, honestly. So in that case, you're not going to write an academic paper. It's too much. So let us proceed then to, for a moment, and let us proceed then to the end. So at the end of Module 3, I say congratulations, you have successfully completed the activities and tasks of Module 3. This is the final module for purposive communication. Should there be questions and clarifications in some part of the lesson, kindly message your instructor, and God bless. So those are my requirements. So if you have any queries or questions, again, you may message me on Messenger on our GC. So I think that'll be all, class. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. See ya!